So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Wednesday the 6th of June. Now let's just have a look at our prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had price come down towards this 12.90. We didn't quite get down towards the 12.88, which is the level below that we've identified as an area we're possibly going to look to find support. Instead, what we have seen is price come down towards this 12.90. Found support, 12.90 again, found support, and we broke down towards that 12.90, and again we found support in around that 12.90. Now we've seen a break above the 12.96. We've had a move all the way up towards this 1300, from which we've had a rejection, held support in around 12.96, and we do seem poised for another test of that 1300 level. So if we can break and hold above the 1300, we're looking for a move up towards that 1305, very strong level from the daily chart, successful break from which we're then looking for a move up towards a 1307, and if we can see the upwards momentum continuation here to the upside, we're then looking for a move up towards that 13.58 here on the XAUUSD. Here on gold up towards our 13.58. Similarly to the downside, if we're unable to break this area of confluence in where we do have the 400 and 200 period moving averages, and we do have a move back down towards the 12.96, and we fail to hold the 12.96 and move down towards a 12.90, potentially 12.88, and if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, 12.84 or possibly at 12.79.42, 12.80 may come into focus here if we do see sufficient volatility to the downside. But overall, we do appear to be building a bit of a base here in around that 12.90, so we do seem poised for further upwards momentum continuation, especially if we can hold above this 12.96 area. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So get the scale on here correct. If it works. There we go. So here on the XAUUSD, we've had the sell-off momentum bring us down towards the 12.84. We've found resistance in around the 13.07, where we do have daily confluence of a 200 period moving average, from which we have seen a bit of sell-side momentum come into the market, but we do appear to be building a bit of a base. So we do have a low in around slightly below the 12.84s and around 12.83s. We have a low. We do appear poised to put in a higher low in around this slightly above this 12.88, and if that is the case, we're looking for a retest of 13.07, and if we can successfully break from there, we're looking for a continuation of the move here to the upside, and our most recent swing beyond the 13.07, and we are looking for a move possibly up towards that 13.26. But that's from a daily chart perspective if we do see this continued recovery here to the upside on the XAUUSD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.